Come on. This is therapy. This is therapy. Come on. This is what drives epigenetic changes. Come on, the city reverse engineer the system. If you're going to be honest, talk the truth. Cities reverse engineer the organism. Nature creates positive epigenetic changes. The sounds in the forest, the sounds of the forest are harmonic. The light is healthy. The soil is healthy. Even the animals are creating the right rhythms. These are conditions for healthy epigenetic changes. Now the city is opposite. Noise. Noise creates free radicals in the body. No matter what anybody say, if you are advocating for life in the city, you are an inorganic being. You are supporting the beast system. The cities need life. Life is in everything around us here. Everything that is natural. Yeah. The only thing in cities that are natural, probably some human beings. A lot of robots. Yes. So this is what reprograms the DNA. Not high-rising buildings. Not acidic conditions. Yeah. 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 This is what your city should look like. Closed canopy. Yeah. This is what you advocate for in a city. Closed canopy. Green space. Well maintained green spaces. Yeah. This is life. This is therapy. Urban exodus. Now, immunity, unity, community. Raising the ecological consciousness of urban dwellers. I'm out.